And as you can see, all the beautiful lilies have opened side by side. Such a beautiful view. I think humans can learn from this. We should all live in harmony with each other. And even countries can learn from this. Learn to respect and value each other, and value different countries and respect different countries. And bring out the inner beauty of different languages, of diversity, rather than cause division or hate. The world was meant for everyone to live on this planet. The world was not built for division, it was built for unity. Look at these flowers. Different combinations, a different variety, but they all coexist together. Sometimes I think human beings can learn a lot from nature. And if you look carefully, it's windy now. The wind doesn't discriminate, so why do humans discriminate against each other? Shouldn't be that way. Should live together and live in peace. It can't be that difficult to achieve peace in this world. Nothing is unachievable. But the main goal is to have the right intentions. It all depends on the intent. Different countries will face tough times, but it's the strength that is shown at the end. And each country has its strength. What is the strength? It's people. Without people, there would be no countries. It's the people that make this world what it is and how it is. So if we can all learn from each other and unite and strengthen each other, that would be just amazing. So far in this world, peace has been unattainable. Now the biggest question is why? If nature can live in harmony with each other, coincide, and in a respectful manner, then what's wrong with the human race? Why can't they learn from each other and respect each other? It's 2022. I think it's really time to reevaluate our value system and learn from nature, wildlife, nature, and learn how to coexist with each other in a peaceful, constructive manner. There you go, that's the end of my speech for today. I just thought I'd take a mini video of these lilies before the beauty of the lilies fades away.